call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam.
Access just to make life easier, communication in the home, being able to open and close doors in the home, and what we call our life safety. Smoke COs, things of that such.
Oh, okay.
And you'll say, well, I can get that stuff anywhere, but here's the thing though. None of it that you buy out of the store is mine. I can put a couple blow sensors up. I can leave all your windows open. I can put your motion on the wall, or I can walk. I can put a couple, right? That's what comes to mind right away?
Right.
No. Never took the battery out of them. Kitty failed to test and upgrade their fire sensor, which is the diode inside smoke detectors. They were going off of their gut instinct saying that, hey, we've been in business for 15 years and we know our stuff works. Not anymore, it doesn't. So these houses burn up. Of course, the insurance companies do their investigations and they find out that these smoke detectors failed tremendously. So what did that do for you? Well, that evolved things tremendously. Because first off, once we do our home inspection, if we find any kitty smoke detectors in the house, we let you go right off top to get rid of it.
What are you doing?
Second part of that, we suggest you to go with ours. And that would be any company because they're selling something. Of course, you know, when the companies start to sell something, they're going to suggest their product over it. Floor, concrete, cabinetry, and appliances, and repairs on
Just
like hot water tanks, furnaces, things of that such.
You put.
So what happens is too, what it does is it gives you a grace period. A huge grace period. Now we know when we buy brand new cars, they give you about what, 60, 90 days before you have to make your first payment, right? Mm-hmm. When you buy a house, they may say no payment until the first 60 days. If you get a new cell phone, they may say 30 days, no payment, right? What if we give you 25 months? That's 2 years, 1 month. No interest, no penalties, no nothing. All we need is an approval.
Window one open. Window two open.
Yes.
Definitely understand why you're saving your finances then.
Yeah.
Gotta take care of the little ones, man.
Yeah.
I got 4 myself, so I know what you mean.
Yeah, they gonna get a slide. You see my guy right here got that trampoline.
Back there, yeah.
I want them to have one of them.
Yup, and I see the little playground back
Yeah,
there.
the little
He
playground.
got that yard real nice.
Yeah.
Well, if you put it on top of that can, it's gone. You'll have to buy another one. But I didn't touch it. I only touched the can.